Happy Groundhog Day, skiers and riders! Do you wish for 6 more weeks of winter or an early spring? Here at Wachusett, we're always in the mood for snow. It's Michaela with your Saturday, February 2nd Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Today we have 26 trails open and all 8 of our lifts and carpets running so you can enjoy all of our snow-covered slopes. The temps today will reach a high of 28 degrees with some westward winds up to 14 miles per hour and partly sunny skies, so make sure to pack an extra layer to stay warm out on the slopes. Base steps are ranging from 23 to 53 inches and the groomers have been working very hard to deliver perfect conditions. There's plenty of variety for the whole family to enjoy. Join us today for a special shadow puppet show demonstrated by the Ecotarium in honor of Groundhog Day. And tomorrow, February 3rd, come check out an LL Bean bootmobile tour as well. Things that you love about Wachusett?
The trails and the people. I like the Bullock Lodge.
The trails are ready, shops are open, and the fires are already lit in the base lodge. So get up here and enjoy your winter. Yeah. And that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned to these tape reports for all the latest updates. And I'll ski you on the slopes.